Welcome to JH. Recently, it seems everyone's phone has been blowing up with suspicious SMS messages claiming to be from ParkMobile. These texts insist your parking charge is overdue and demand immediate payment, because nothing says legitimate business like a threatening text message while you're trying to eat your dinner. But before you panic pay, let's look at the facts. One user received a notice for a vehicle they never owned, which a quick search revealed was actually an AA roadside assistance van. It's nice to know scammers have a sense of irony, trying to bill the people who usually do the towing. These messages often look incredibly professional, featuring links that mimic the real ParkMobile site or redirect you to a debt recovery portal. If you think a URL like paidp.co.uk sounds like a totally trustworthy place to hand over your credit card details, I have a bridge in London I'd like to sell you. The scary reality is that even a relatively small charge of £170 is just bait to harvest your financial information. A genuine parking notice should only ever go to the registered owner of the vehicle. If you don't own the car or your number isn't linked to it, you're looking at a data error, a wrong number, or more likely, a scammer who's about as competent as a screen door on a submarine. If you're worried about your privacy, don't just hand over more personal details to prove your innocence. Instead, experts suggest submitting a subject access request, or SAR, to the parking company. This allows you to see exactly what information they hold on you without turning your personal life into an open book for some random stranger. It is the smartest way to protect yourself while keeping your data under lock and key. In short, if the vehicle isn't yours, treat that text with the same suspicion you'd give a free cruise offer from a Nigerian prince. Don't click the links, check the registration yourself, and always contact the official company through their verified website. Never give your financial info to unsolicited texts, and stay sharp out there. Thanks for watching till the end, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, unless you're actually a scammer, in which case, please find a more productive hobby.